Hey everyone, I'm at Habitat right now, and I'm going to show what they have in terms of ceiling fans here. That is totally not reasonable. Reasonable price. I can always hit a home run with these, or a dime a dozen. They pop up on Craigslist like all the time. This is like probably the nicest one here. Well, it could be, except for one little flaw. This panel file. See the flywheel? Subpar. Yeah, I don't know if it's all there or not. The gloves are cool. I like the K4S. Comes standard with, but bearings, and probably end up parting it out if I got it. But let's see see when it was made here. Everybody can make that out. It's panel 5 all-rates and touch. This is a newer latex Ellington. I think it's got the skinny blades on it.
Yeah, I'll have them lamps.
New one because I can tell no filigree sideband. Like 1996. I was in 8th grade when this fan was manufactured. Wow. Here's its cousin, made in January of 1997. And it's latex crystal, I believe they call it. I have two of the craft made versions. See that right there? That's pretty cool. I don't know if it'd be all there. Just generic builder fan. Harbor Breeze Armitage. Blah. Nice little Evergo hugger. It's EE. This lacks the mounting bracket. Polymer is still there, and this Regency. I don't like lower canopies on non-spinner fans. And here's Hampton Bay Reddington. I don't know what this is. It's probably a Firebird of some sort. Cute little camera there for $5. It's an Air Cool Hugger from January of 1986. It's kind of like what I have in the spare bedroom currently, but I got mainly for this light kit. And then there's some GE Vent builder fan. I think it is. It's got the that goes to the Hunter on it. Generic hugger, nothing to write home about. Same thing for this one too. Oh, Studio Series remotes. Awesome. I might get those.
Oh, I know.
Miscellaneous fan parts in here. Yeah, we'll do much good here. Oops. Oh, sweet, it's Newton. It's kind of like how Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity. Blade arms. This mounting bracket. There's another one here. And that one might go to that other latex, that lighted housing one. And this, don't know what that is. But anyway, this is a King of Fans. There's a Hunter mounting bracket there. Back in there, but I parted one out. I don't know what this is. It's probably made for wall mount use only. I don't know what that means. But anyway, I'm gonna go. Another Hunter mounting bracket right there. And the other profiles. Probably parted out the fans and scrapped them. Hampton Bay, sweet. Probably oil rub bronze. I really like the black and black. There's a canopy there, but this is a balancing kit. Pick that up. This thing is globes through here, $3. It's not that price. Let's see, we got there's a bunch of lights. I have to duck back here. These are cute, really cute globes. Some bulbs. Bunch of miscellaneous furniture. It's an unusual looking lamp right there. It's got it's like an alien. Pretty much. Okay. I think I'm gonna sign off now. Thank you for watching.